Hi, everybody. Pam Leverins, your masterful mentor here. Just wanted to pop in and let you know about my goal setting workshop that I have planned for Wednesday, January 17th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can actually go to my website, which is brickwallcoach.com, and you can sign up from there. That's probably the best place to get the link. But I just wanted to let you know that it is super, super important if you have not worked on setting any goals for 2018, or if you have been struggling with setting your goals and trying to figure out, do you have them set up the way that you want? And do you understand the process that's involved with actually step-by-step process involved with each one of them? It's so easy for us to say, hey, I have a goal of making $1 million this year. But do you have the steps of how you're going to obtain that goal? How are you going to reach that $1 million mark? Wouldn't that be nice? I think that would be awesome. But that is what this workshop is for. It's a 90-minute workshop, and it will, if you look at the screen, it tells you we're going to learn why setting goals is so essential in order to reach the dreams that you have. And you're going to get the inside scoop of just how to define your goals. We're going to review how to break them up into manageable steps. When you take the overall picture and you break it up into small chunks, it is so much more manageable. And you're going to find out about how to set specific goal deadlines. You should have deadlines on these goals. It's okay if it's not done by the deadline, but if you never set a deadline for yourself, I'm going to make $1 million in 2018, and then you don't have these steps in place, and you don't say, by the end of first quarter, I want to be at this plateau, and by the end of spring, the beginning of summer, I want to make sure that I'm checking in and I'm halfway to my goal. You need to have those plans, and I'm going to show you how to set deadlines. And then we're going to discover how to track your progress in a positive way. That is a lot of fun. You do get a free goal setting journal as a thank you gift for attending. I also have another special gift that I give out to attendees as well. And it's part of the course that we will go over. I will review it with you, and then I'm going to have you just set aside some time to do this, and it's called a look back. In order to move ahead with the plans that we have to know where we're coming from. So it's always a really good thing to look back at what you've done previously. If you're a new business starting out, you won't have that comparison to make, and that's okay. But for those of you that are not new to business, we're going to review your last year that you've been in business, and we're going to see what was good about it, what was bad about it, things you'd like to change, things you definitely know you want to keep in place, things like that. We're going to review. I have extensive worksheets on that for you. It comes in booklet form, and that's another free gift that I have for you. So the goal setting workshop is slated for Wednesday, January 17th at 7 p.m. And if you hop over to my website, brickwallcoach.com, you will be able to sign up for it there. Let me just look. And yes, on the events page, there's a goal setting workshop here. And if you just click register now, then I will send you the email link to pay for it. And the cost, that's a really good thing. The cost is, if you use this special code, which is 2018 goals, your cost is only $79, and that's for 90 minutes plus all the free material. And I will tell you, the groups are small. I never, ever work with people over groups of people over 10. And you are guaranteed to get one-on-one with me. And in doing this goal setting workshop, you also get a follow-up, a 30-minute follow-up with me within the next month, so that we can review what you have worked on after the workshop and tweak anything that you may have questions on. So that is also another free gift on top of it. So if you use the code 2018 goals, your cost is only $79 for a 90-minute workshop, the free goal setting journal, the free workbook of looking back to your next year that I give out, plus an additional 30-minute one-on-one with me. So hop over to my website, brickwallcoach.com, and go under the event page and register now for that. All right, have an awesome day.